Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to make a super easy one-pot lentil soup. You don't have to fry anything, just add several ingredients, you'll get a delicious lentils. Let's get started. Here I got 1.5 cups split Masoor lentils. It's thin and quickly to cook, you don't need to soak it, and it has natural umami flavor, which I almost feel like tasting chicken. We need to check if there are bad ones before we cook. Then wash it till water is clear. Add the lentils in a pot. Add 1.2 liter water. Use medium fire to bring it to boil. Don't use high fire, otherwise it will boil over the pot. While it's cooking, let's prepare other ingredients. Finely chopped quarter white onion. Yellow onion is the best choice, it gives natural sweetness. Try not to use the red onion because its tangy flavor might cover the lentil taste. Cut one lime into quarters. And chop a handful cilantro leaves. Here's the important ingredient, ginger paste. It will make your soup taste a different level. After the water starts to boil, turn down the fire to low and skim the foam. Then we add the ginger paste, chopped onion, 1.5 teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon garlic powder, and 1/4 teaspoon turmeric. Stir it very well. If you like, you can add 1 potato at this step. Cover and leave a gap, cook it for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, our soup is thicker. Let's give a stir to prevent it stick to the bottom. Now the soup is still not reached the consistency we want. We're gonna continue cooking for another 10 minutes. How can you tell it's done? You can turn up the fire, the bubbles are splashing around and the soup is thick. You can cook a little more if you like it thicker. And this is perfect for me. At this step, you can blend it to a smooth soup. But I like to have a texture in it, so I just keep it like this. Time to serve. This soup has natural original flavors. It's delicious and comforting. I can't say it's extraordinary than other main courses, but it's definitely something you can warm you up and good comfort food. If you're a busy mom or an office staff and you want simple, delicious, time-saving dinner, you have to try this. Thanks for watching. Please feel free to share your cooking tips and recipes in the comments. See you next time. Bye!